If you want to turn on vibrations on your OnePlus 13 5G, first we'll open up your settings. After that, we have to scroll down to our sound and vibration tab. There it is, choose it. So here we can control our vibration. We can turn it off or turn it on the call, right? So you can choose your vibration and ring, you can choose your vibration intensity and calls and alarms or messages and notifications. You can turn off media sounds on silent mode, and you can set up your disturb mode. So once again, to turn off your vibrations, choose your vibrating intensity, and right, I guess you can feel it. So simply turn it off, and that's how you do this. Also, you can find your haptics option. Let's do this. Here they are, and here you can adjust system haptics. So if you want to get haptic feedback for touch swipes and more, and you can set up your haptic intensity. Also, you can set up your touch feel, so crisp or gentle. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.